Ooh, it's freezing. All right, yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing my reverse lights. Got these from on Amazon. It's called AUXITO LED or something like that. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but these I pay about 20 bucks for them. Very easy to do. As we all know, like the factory lights that's on these trucks, they all has that yellow. It's not really that bright, so this is a LED light, pretty much very bright, easy to install. This is real bright, and this is something that you could get for your RAM on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys the exact bulb I got. Once I finish off with this. Right now it's freezing outside, so I'm trying to hurry up and knock this out. Pretty much an easy, straightforward step. Got my tools with me. Tool look kind of funny. This is what I have to work with right now. But it's two bolts on both sides that you take out, and then you gotta pop the light out once you take it out. Be very gentle when you're doing it. So I'm gonna finish off and show you guys. Alright, y'all, so I got the first one in. So very simple to do. I'm about to put this back on. Alright, so it's that simple. I'm about to do the next side. My hands is super freezing right now, and it's super windy outside, so try to make this quick. About to do this side next. This is the next side right here. Try to give you guys a good angle. Alright. y'all, so I just got done installing these. These are very easy to do. Took me less than 10 minutes to do. The only thing is I had to hurry up because super freezing outside today. Expecting some snow, I think probably later today till like Monday or Tuesday. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I do not like the cold at all. My hands freezing up quick, so I had to finish off fast as I could, and so I can be able to come in my vehicle and tell you guys exactly. So this right here is this is the OEM bulb that comes in each truck. So pretty much this is pretty much very basic, and the ones that I ordered, I was in this original. Ones that I ordered from Amazon, I was in this. See a lot of good reviews about them, and they are LEDs. You know, LEDs make things extremely bright at night. That's what you want to help you, especially when you're backing up. Like these trucks, like well, most cars in general. I wouldn't say like the newer cars, but like if it's like a couple years old, they all got that old yellow light, which I personally do not like. I just think it doesn't really look as appealing, and also it's kind of harder for you to be able to see at night when you're backing up. You can't really see too much because this vehicle has a backup camera on there. I'm able to look back, but sometimes I can't really see. There's certain spots that I can't see because of my light, how bright they not really that bright. So it's kind of hard for me to be able to see when I'm backing up due to the fact that I'm in a pickup truck and I have windshield tint. So this is definitely going to be able to help me with that, be able to see a lot better. Hopefully when it gets a little bit darker, I want to be able to show you guys how bright they are. So I'm just waiting for it right now. It's kind of early right now, so I'm just waiting to for it to get a little bit darker, and I'll be able to show you guys exactly how this looks. But
few moments later.
man, I tell y'all, man, like it is freezing, like super cold, man. Like I cannot do the cold, but so hopefully I'll be able to come back and show you guys exactly how she looked. But until then, stay posted. So before I end this video, I want to give you guys a quick little message for the day, man. As you guys know, we're in the new year, and I always try to tend to, you know, it's not just, I always say this, like it's not about cars, it's not about anything materialistic. At the end of the day, it's about you, your overall health, your mental. I always try to tell you guys that, you know, if you follow my page, if you subscribe to my channel, or if this is your first time, I always try to encourage people to definitely go out and do the things you love, work out, eat healthy. Don't try to do the things that's bad for you, drinking, smoking, all that. Always try to face reality, man, because I try to tell you guys that your health, overall health, really matter, because at the end of the day, if you got all these things, you got shitty health, you're not really gonna be able to enjoy these things. So that's why I always say your health, you gotta make sure your health be your #1 priority. You know, God first and then your health, because at the end of the day, if you don't have your health, you don't have anything. So just try to stay positive. It's a new year. Go after the things that you want to do. But if it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like anything with cars, truck, Mopar, or maybe every now and then I'll give you guys a little bit of pro tip about life and stuff, because I like, besides cars, I personally like to work out. Pretty much that's like my second part of my life right there, working out. That's it. And family, obviously, but always go after the things that you want to do in life. So definitely feel free to leave comments, whatever, you know, something like the video, share. You know, I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.